Hello, my name is Reagan Wilbanks. This is Reagan Wilbanks Creations. This is going to be video number 3 in my series on my research into algae biofuels. Today I'm going to be talking about bioreactors, and hopefully I'll go into a little detail on how I plan on creating my own bioreactor. A bioreactor is a container or containment system that is used to cultivate algae to create enough biomass to have a suitable amount of lipids or oil that you can collect from that mass, which you're going to need quite a bit. And as well as keeping the algae contaminant free and clean. Most commercial algae biofuel reactors are constantly circulated so that the algae is constantly moving and flowing to give it something to do. Usually a containment section for it, so where all the algae biomass is collected. And then there's several nutrient ports and air outlets so that the oxygen can get out, and then so they can put in CO2 as well as add more water to the system. My bioreactor will consist of 6 1-inch by, I haven't decided between 1 or 2 feet tubes, acrylic tubes, that are going to be connected in an S shape so that I can have the algae flow through it. I'll basically move the algae using a peristaltic pump, which is basically a pump that never really comes in contact with whatever it's pumping, which is going to be good so that I don't have to worry about having to clean it out or anything like that. I will have a collection tank which will be placed vertically underneath the bioreactor so that as the algae is pushed along, the heavier it gets, it'll weigh down and hopefully it'll sink down to the bottom of it and also not be able to come back out. So I'll have it designed to where it won't be able to do so. And I will also include valves for nutrients, so I can add in more nutrients as it goes, add in more water, add in more CO2, which for the CO2 I'm going to be using activated charcoal like that you find in fish aquariums, so that's something. And then I'll also have outlets for the oxygen to come out as well, so that it's not suffocating inside of the tubes. Bioreactor will be indoors, so I'm going to have to get some grow lamps so that I don't have to worry about the sunlight being a cloudy day, or that way it's more controllable so I can know I have the perfect amount of sunlight, which I believe is a 16-hour on, 8-hour off light cycle for the algae I'm going to be choosing, which is Anchistrodesmus, if you missed it. Right now I just have like a rough design. I'm pretty sure I've already put the image up there. If it's not, then hopefully it's up now. But I plan on ordering all the parts pretty soon so that I can put it together and hopefully start growing some algae in the coming months. And then for the nutrients, I'm going to run a couple experiments comparing the one I found on Carolina.com, which is called Algae Grow, and then a nutrient solution of my own concoction. And I'll be experimenting with that on a smaller scale, that way I can figure out what grows best and which one works better. And then I'll choose the winner and use that in my larger bioreactor that, again, this is what this whole video is about. I can also include various sensors like pH, light, temperature, oxygen, and carbon dioxide sensors, but I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. If I do, it'll be a lot better because it'll give me more data to read and I can control it a little bit better. But that's going to all be determined in the future. So yeah, so that is a little information about bioreactors. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos I've done, you can check the description below. I'll put some links to the previous videos I've done. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, and then you'll be able to keep up to date with what I post. If you want even more, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll also put the link in the description. Well, my name is Reagan Wilbanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.